Sean Silveira on the water in this Pro Surf Finals. And he is absolutely going for it despite some adverse weather conditions, riding in the rain, but making the magic happen with a huge bigger spin right there, linking it in with some shove-its. Now serving in that backside direction. Sean Silveira deciding to stick with that skim style board and starting things off surfing backside. Pumping the wave and throwing buckets at the boat. Spinning around, showing that he's fully versatile on his heels and his toes. There's a huge alley-oop ollie 180. And now pumping from way far back on the wave. There's an ollie backside 180 in the flat water. Getting back around onto his toes. There's the backside shove it. And a backside big spin. Sean now starting from way back on the wave. Oh, and trying to go with a backside bigger spin.
Everyone rode so good. I knew I had to do something that everyone wasn't doing, so I went to my backhand, did a little bit of switch riding, and came out with the win.